Yo, what's up, everyone? Today we're breaking down the slang term poon. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, poon is slang for sexual intercourse or a sexually attractive person. People use it when talking about hooking up or attraction. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. Poon first showed up in Caribbean English slang and gained popularity in the 20th century. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among young adults. Now let's check out how to use poon in a sentence. Correct example 1. She joked that she was ready to find some poon at the party tonight. Correct example 2. I heard he's been chasing poon all summer. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said poon at Sunday dinner, and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using poon right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. Poon means slang for sexual intercourse or a sexually attractive person. It started in Caribbean English slang, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with poon in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.